Hi everyone, today we're going to be looking at the new TECWARE HASTE RGB gaming mousepad.
That's good.
The size of the mousepad is 800 wide, 300mm tall, and 3mm thin. The size is big but pretty standard for a large mousepad. The cable is around 1.9 meter long and uses a micro USB to connect to the hub. There is only a single button on the hub to control all the RGB cycle. If you look closely, you can see that the light tube are sewn in on the edge of the mousepad. Under normal lighting, it is kinda hard to see because it is quite dim. The camera is barely picking it up. Luckily, under low light environment, the LED shine much better. Before we go through the lighting mode, you need to know that there is only two LED at work here. One is on the right side of the hub and the other one is on the left side. There is no other LED or light source along the mousepad, so you can only have two color combination at one time. The first and default mode is pulsing. The second mode is wave. The third mode is static color. The color will cycle through as you click the button on the hub. The fourth and the last mode available is color cycle. It just cycles through all the static color available. Well, I guess that covered pretty much of the basic part of this mousepad. The reason why mostly I did not film this under pitch dark environment is because I wanted you to expect what your experience will be under normal or typical environment. Even though the RGB is nice to look at inside a completely dark room, but in reality you are not going to be in a dark room most of the time. Interesting things to note that the light will shine brighter at the corner if you try to bend it. But please do not do this too many times, as it will stretch the mousepad and probably leave a permanent damage to it. So here are what you can expect when you put a keyboard and mouse on top of it. I hope this video can help you decide whether this mousepad worth your money or not. But for me, at this price point of 89 ringgit or around 22 USD, and if you compare it to something similar that Razer are offering like the Razer Goliathus for 2 or even 3 times more money than this, it is no-brainer to take this thing instead. I really appreciate it if you can give this video a thumbs up, and if you have anything to ask, you can comment down below. Thanks for watching.